Learn Czech fast. Can you? Equals.
Můžete.
Polite requests. Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey you, ready to sound politely powerful in Czech? Let's make requests that open doors, literally. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources and goodies. Today's magic key is, can you? Which in Czech is,
Můžete.
picture a helpful cow at the info desk saying, Můžete, and you'll never forget it. Your goal today. In just a few minutes, you'll use formal and informal requests like a pro. You'll master.
Můžete.
For formal talk, contrast it with.
Můžeš.
For friends, and level up with super polite.
Mohl byste.
You'll also sprinkle in.
Prosím. Promiňte. Děkuji.
And ask for.
Pomoc.
Or to.
Pomoci.
Forms and pronunciation. Say it with confidence and just a pinch of charm. Formal.
Můžete.
Use this with strangers, staff, or anyone you want to respect. Informal.
Můžeš.
Use with friends and people your age in casual settings. Super polite.
Mohl byste.
Think could you. To a man, it's extra courteous. Pro tip. Add.
Prosím.
Please, and start with.
Promiňte.
Excuse me, to be warm and clear. Useful builds.
Můžete mi pomoci.
Equals, can you help me? Here.
Pomoci.
Is the infinitive, to help, and.
Pomoc.
Is the noun, help. Quick dialogues. Let's act it out, you're the star of this mini sitcom. At reception, you smile and say.
Promiňte. Můžete.
Boom, instant politeness. Then, print my ticket? On the train, you whisper.
Můžete.
And point to the empty seat. The guard nods, jasné. You reply.
Děkuji.
Single quote. In a shop.
Prosím. Můžete.
And then add what you need, batteries, umbrellas, or emergency chocolate. Echo drills. Repeat after me, short, punchy, and fun. Me, can you help me? You.
Můžete mi pomoci.
Single quote. Me, excuse me, please, you.
Promiňte. Prosím.
Single quote. Me, could you open the gate? You.
Mohl byste.
Finish the request. Me, thanks, you.
Děkuji.
Exclamation mark single quote. Switch to informal with a friend.
Můžeš.
E.g., pass the water? Culture tip. Play it polite and you win smiles. In Czech service settings, starting with.
Promiňte.
And adding.
Prosím.
Is gold. Use.
Můžete.
With staff and strangers, save.
Můžeš.
For friends, super polite.
Mohl byste.
Is perfect in emails or formal moments. If something's tricky, a gentle.
Nemůžete.
Can't you? Can hint at difficulty without sounding rude. Quiz time. Quick check, you've got this. Q1. How do you say, can you? In Czech, formal. A.
Můžete.
Q2. Which is informal, use with friends. A.
Můžeš.
Q3. What's an extra polite, could you? To a man? A.
Mohl byste.
Q4. The word for, please. A.
Prosím.
The word for, excuse me. A.
Promiňte.
Q5. Help, the noun. A.
Pomoc.
To help, the infinitive. A.
Pomoci.
Bonus. What do you say after getting help? A.
Děkuji.
Challenge and goodbye. Time to level up in the real world. Your challenge. Today, start one request with.
Promiňte. Prosím. Můžete.
And finish it naturally, maybe directions, a ticket print, or coffee rescue. Then close with a bright.
Děkuji.
Single quote. Thanks for learning with Synapse Lingo. Keep practicing, stay curious, and visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more English Czech lessons, drills, and fun. You've got this.